Alert: never make these 7 mistakes when eating eggs again, doctor explains. Critical safety errors that could cost your health. My emergency room visit at 2 a.m. started with what seemed like simple food poisoning. Violent nausea, cramping, and fever that appeared within hours of my usual breakfast. The attending physician asked detailed questions about my meal preparation. "How do you handle your eggs?" he inquired seriously. What followed was a medical education that potentially saved my life. That terrifying night revealed dangerous mistakes hiding in plain sight. Mistake number 7 involves eating eggs past their safe expiration date regularly. Bacteria multiply exponentially in aging eggs even under refrigeration. According to research published in Food Microbiology Journal, salmonella levels can increase 1,000-fold in eggs stored beyond recommended periods. Here's what shocked me about my casual approach to expiration dates. Eggs I thought were probably fine had been harboring dangerous bacterial loads. The risk accumulated with each expired egg I consumed carelessly. Mistake number 6 reveals the temperature danger zone that breeds illness. Storing eggs at room temperature for extended periods allows rapid bacterial multiplication. Salmonella doubles every 20 minutes between 40 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The Centers for Disease Control confirms that temperature abuse causes thousands of serious infections annually. My kitchen counter storage habit had been creating a bacterial breeding ground. Leaving eggs out during meal preparation exposed them to dangerous temperature fluctuations repeatedly. Mistake number 5 exposes the cross-contamination error that spreads bacteria. Using the same utensils for raw and cooked eggs transfers harmful microorganisms directly. Salmonella from shell exteriors contaminates cooking surfaces and tools. The Food and Drug Administration emphasizes that cross-contamination causes 76% of egg-related illnesses. My cooking workflow had been spreading contamination throughout the kitchen unknowingly. The same spoon used for raw eggs later stirred other ingredients dangerously. Mistake number 4 uncovers the washing error that increases contamination risk. Washing eggs before storage removes the natural protective coating called bloom. This membrane prevents bacteria from penetrating the porous shell structure. Research from the University of California shows that washed eggs spoil 50% faster. My well-intentioned cleaning routine had been eliminating crucial natural protection. The eggs I thought were cleaner were actually more vulnerable to contamination. Mistake number 3 reveals the cooking temperature that allows bacteria survival. Undercooked eggs with runny whites fail to reach temperatures that kill salmonella completely. Bacteria survives temperatures below 160 degrees Fahrenheit in egg proteins. The USTA requires thorough cooking to ensure complete pathogen elimination. My preference for soft scrambled eggs had been leaving dangerous bacteria alive. The creamy texture I enjoyed came at serious health risks. Mistake number 2 exposes the dangerous combination with certain medications. Eating raw or undercooked eggs while taking immunosuppressive drugs creates severe infection risks. Compromised immune systems cannot fight off salmonella effectively. Medical literature documents fatal cases in immunocompromised patients. My autoimmune medication regimen made egg safety absolutely critical. The doctor explained how my treatment increased vulnerability to foodborne pathogens dramatically. Mistake number 1 reveals the most life-threatening error surprisingly. Ignoring early food poisoning symptoms allows dangerous complications to develop. Salmonella can progress to sepsis, meningitis, and organ failure rapidly. Emergency intervention becomes necessary when symptoms worsen beyond initial gastroenteritis. My dismissal of early symptoms as mild stomach upset nearly led to hospitalization. The progression timeline for serious complications happens faster than most people realize. Proper handling techniques prevent contamination while preserving nutritional value effectively. Immediate refrigeration after purchase maintains safe temperatures consistently. Storing eggs in original cartons protects against temperature fluctuations and contamination. Proper storage can extend safety periods significantly. My transformation began with implementing strict food safety protocols systematically. Temperature monitoring became routine during storage and preparation. These simple changes eliminated the risks that caused my emergency. Cooking guidelines ensure complete pathogen elimination while preserving taste satisfaction. Thorough cooking to 160 degrees Fahrenheit kills all harmful bacteria completely. Using food thermometers removes guesswork from safety determinations.